Okay, that's not beneficial for you, but it's for us. Please don't go to Hazaribagh. Don't use their clothes. Don't use their things.
Wow.
Please, please, Hazaribagh people, don't come in our village and don't take the raw materials.
Wow.
But the villagers don't use the washroom also. Go that side only.
Wow,
That's
wow,
a very bad thing. That's a very bad thing. And where you see?
Hazaribagh, Jhanda Chowk.
Jhanda Chowk. I don't know Jhanda Chowk. In the you see.
That is your problem.
No. You see here. You see here. Here is dustbin. Here is dustbin.
What's up? Yeah. Hello guys. Now we again going to start our debate between village and cities. Yesterday we have this debate has not completed because we have not enough time and dark, and that's why now we again this is a panel that debate between villagers and villagers between cities. And now I am very excited that see who will be winner today. And now I am looking all the boys and girls that means cities and this is a villagers. All are very confused that who will be winner. And now you all are excited?
Yes, sir.
Cities?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Wow. And next, villagers?
Yes, sir.
Who will be winner? Who will be winner? Now guys, now we start. I am going to give the microphone, and now I will give the first opportunity to represent your and tell something about your opinion about the cities. Yeah, girls, tell something. Yes, someone else? Yeah, Soumya, come here. Yes, big glamour. Introduce first. Introduce yourself.
Good morning, all of
Speak
you.
aloud.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Shamik Maya. I study in Standard 5. I am say about cities. City is very big place. City is very available. Anything, things like this schools, hospitals.
Yes.
College,
All the things are
all the
available in a
things
cities.
available in cities.
Wow. Something else? Yeah, big glamour.
Thank you.
Anyone else? Yes, sir. Yes, come here. Yeah, introduce first self.
Good morning, all of you. Today I'm here and I'm Pallavi Rani from Standard 6. I'm the favor of city. So I want to tell you that I can explain how city is better than village. Yeah, I can say village is means city is better than village because all the our governments means PM Narendra Modi want to convert the village into city because he know that city is best for the human lives, and your parents also want to build the house on the city, not village because they know
Wow.
that we means for your education the city is better, and you all go for studying on city because all know that city is we can in city get better knowledge, more knowledge than the village. Thank you.
Wow, big glamour. Next, now I want to, you villagers, you all come and tell me how can you say that villagers are better than cities than better villagers. Yeah, tell. Yeah,
Sir, I tell now the qualities firstly.
yeah. Speak a loud word.
Hello everyone,
All of
my
you
name.
focus. All of you focus. Yeah.
Hello everyone, myself Rosenda, study standard 6. Today I am present here to tell. Firstly, though, I will tell 5 qualities of village. Firstly, villagers, the person who live in village, they all are more stronger than the citizen. The person who live in village, they are more laborious than the citizen. The villagers are more hard worker than the citizen. In the villagers, there has lot of unity, more than unity than the citizen. They have villages more clean than the city. The city is not important. Okay, if city is important,
Wow.
if city is important, you all are
Yes,
telling that we get better knowledge in city, we get better treatment in city, we get many facilities in city. Firstly, knowledge can do anything. So if knowledge can do anything and all the citizens are getting best knowledge, best education, so why all the cities are more dirty? Delhi is more dirty in the world. Why education is not? Why education is not cleaning the city? And
Wait.
I can prove that without village, city can't survive, never survive. Because in city, the food they eat, that come from village. The water they drink, that also come from earth. But if village will not, and villagers will not exist in the world, if they will not grow the crops also, so all the citizens will die. Like how the fish die after coming out of the water, how the fish die, like the citizen die without villagers.
Wow, big applause. Woo. Next, someone else, villagers, anyone else want to come here and say something? Yeah. Anyone else? Yes. Come. Yes, big up one more.
Hello, good morning, all of you. My name is Anmol Yadav. I read in class 6. I tell about village. This group is village. This group is city. Then competition with village versus cities.
Yeah.
I tell about city.
Acha, yes.
Village is the most beautiful on the world. Then cities people has cut the tree, 100 trees cut, and
And establish the companies.
establish the
Yes.
companies. Then cities cut the cities people cut the 100 trees, planting the one tree. But villager does not planting the plant before we see any sites, then all side are plant. But you see that town, city, then no ped has you seen, because their people has not careful on the tree. Without tree we can't survive. But cities people not think this problem, because this group tell cities make the pencil, papers and pages, because where come from woods on the
From.
the village.
Yeah, big clap. Yeah. Big clap, Tanu.
Means you are cutting the tree. In the village you are cutting the tree. I not cut. You cut. Cities people has come. Then cut the tree. Then make.
Okay, village people are not cutting the trees. You see, and all people are going the evening
Wait,
times.
wait.
They are cutting the trees.
Use village people has very small quantities paid cut, but it's, cities
Roshan.
people has.
Yes. Yeah, tell. Yeah. Big level. Next. Wait. Yeah, I ask.
Cities people, students are educated by where we get papers, pencil erasers come from city, in a village.
He want to say that all the raw materials come from the village. That's why we are not produce and we not selling this and not give the raw materials. So how can you make this pencil, razors, all the things? Means villagers, means cities peoples also depend on a you know na, you also agree for this? Yes. Yeah, tell.
That means cities are totally depend on villages. Okay. Then you agree for this that villages is also depend on cities because you are wearing clothes you not buy from village, you buy from city, and you are growing the crops, you are buying the crops now. It also come from cities, not village. And you have books, you have pencil, you have clothes, and raw material, anything that is come from cities, not village. Okay.
From where you get thread? From village.
But it made in city.
If you will not get thread, how will you be make dresses?
But
If you will not get tree, how will you be make paper?
If we not give the raw materials,
How will you be make?
then paper can recycle.
wait. Yes.
Then paper can recycle also.
Yes. Say.
Recycle.
If from where the first paper become?
By wood.
If we will not give wood, then from where will you be?
Then cities.
Who is cutting the trees? Villagers or cities people?
Both.
No. Acha, where established the most factories? Where?
In cities.
Yeah, come. Yes. Yeah.
Everyone say you are telling that only citizens cut the trees.
No, we all are not telling that only citizens cut the tree. But villagers also cut the trees. But most of the citizens cut the tree. Okay, there is one factory of matchstick. From where he make the matchstick? From the plastic? No, from the trees. And trees are found in village, and they are deforesting our trees and polluting our village. They know that they are very jealous. Their cities are means spoiled. Then they want that our village also spoiled.
This means you mean to say that only in village there is forest, trees and all. There's not in towns, not in cities.
No.
How could you say that? It's even not possible. Everywhere, because if there is tree, that's natural. This means only come from villages.
Yes.
No, not definitely. And as you can see, you're telling only citizen cut the tree. No, every next Sunday or every next week, you will listen from any villagers. I'm going to born. कौन कहता है?
In 100%, only 20% cut the villagers or 80% cut the citizens.
Okay. Then how do you burn the chulha and all?
We are agree for that. Okay. We are all, in Sunday we are going to forest. After that,
Not only Sunday, every day.
Every day we go. Okay, every day we go. For whom? for grow the vegetables. Okay, and you are thinking that how much we got less, but citizens people cut all the tree from the root.
Clean
And
all the
we are only cleaning the branches that tree also grow big. Okay, we are not cutting all the tree.
But that's not true. If you will cut the tree, and you can see that ladies and all taking the bundles of the branches and the tree and going for burning their chulhas, for doing their works. Not only just they.
What's the main reason you have think? What's the main reason? Where they use?
For
Where?
their work, they burn their chulhas
Where?
and all. They cook their own food.
Okay.
Not for the citizens.
Firstly, be quiet. I'll tell. Okay. Where they use to grow the vegetables in field. Okay. They use na, and you are always I'm saying that they are burning the chulha. Okay. We think that they are not wasting that after growing the vegetables. They are use that wood to in the good thing. Okay, not in bad thing. I have understood.
and you all cutting the woods and using the wood for burning the factories. That factories pollute our nature also, and that are not beneficial for us.
Okay, that's not beneficial for you, but it's for us. Please don't go to Hazaribagh. Don't use their clothes. Don't use their things.
Wow.
Please, Hazaribagh people, don't come in our village and don't take the raw materials.
Wow.
Yes, that's it.
Other person. Give the other person chance. Other person, anyone else? Accept. Yeah. Suman.
Okay.
Go back. Other
All
person.
the
Other person.
अरे go na.
All the raw materials come from village. Okay, then why you not make fibers? Tell why it's manufactured in factories, and you tell that we are doing bad things by cutting the woods and spoiling the villages. Yeah.
Firstly,
Then we are getting from factories. You are not getting profit. Only we are getting. No, bad thing. We are not getting now. You are getting. We are only polluting our environment. Yes, now you want to say?
Firstly, I want to tell that you are telling that we are using the clothes of Hazaribagh of city, but this is not the pure village. If you will go in pure village, there is the charkha. From that we make the clothes. There is the chakki. From there we grind the.
Okay. They make from charkha. Then why you are intelligent? You are villagers. You are intelligent. Then citizens, you also make by charkha and wear. Why you not wear? Why you go to cities for buying clothes?
Because this is not a village.
Big level.
Not a place. Okay.
Next.
Then how
This is
can
Other person ask. Other person. Yes. Yeah.
Sir, Rosan was asking from that.
Asking. Yeah. Take. Come. Kaun? Who want to ask? Acha. Yes. Ask. Take this.
Sir, firstly let him ask the
Ask.
question.
Take first. Yeah.
Yes, cities are the more luxurious.
Yes.
Yes, are you agree?
Yes, I am agree with that.
Yes, what's the luxurious? If there's a dirtiest place of the Delhi, you know, this is the dirtiest place, the dirtiest place of the world. In the world. Delhi.
Delhi is the polluted place
In the world, not a country.
Wow, big level. This is city.
Sir, I agree with that. With that I'm agree. That's we are talking about one city. Yes or not? But now I'm going to talk about the whole villages. Do you know about the water pollution? About Delhi, I've talked about the air pollution. And with the villages, I'm going to talk about the water pollution. Do you know in the villages there's about the ponds and lakes. After the puja, what we are doing?
What again? What?
After the puja, what we are doing? All the statues, all the vestige of like flowers and all the things, we are just going and telling us we have to visurge it. What it mean? And not only for this, but the villagers don't use the washroom also. Go that side only.
Wow,
That's
wow,
a very bad thing. That's a very bad thing. And one more thing, that you are not going to take bath in the where you are taking the bath. No, not in the home. There only. When you want to clean your buffaloes and all, only in that. What means all the things you have to mix it there only.
Yes, I am agree about this. But have ever you thought in the we are Visarjan? Yes.
Yes.
We are Visarjan. The statues. What all things we are Visarjan? Statues, woods,
Yes.
flowers, and all the other things. But in the cities, we are not Visarjan. We are only flowing the plastic and that things that are not biodegradable things. And in the ponds, are you thinking in the ponds Miss Visarjan the woods like this? Then this is the biodegradable. This is not harm the and any insects.
Wow, 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 wow.
I have the answer. You can't say that only in the city they are doing like this. You can't say. There also they are eating the plastic things, junk foods, and in the village also. What we are in the village, if we are going to buy a samosa, Bhaiya ji, one samosa please. And if he is giving the hand or what that katori one, you are not taking in this. Bhaiya ek plastic dijiye to. That's
Yes.
also you are throwing here and there. No.
Yes, I'm agree.
More paper. No more one free. You can't give only one example. Wherever I have gone, I've seen there. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Where? Sir, first.
Give
I will not
other
give.
person
I will not
chance.
give. I will
Yes,
not.
Himanshu. Go back, go back, go back.
Who make plastics?
Citizens.
The plastic is decomposer. Means
No.
plastic decompose.
No.
Then why the citizen make the plastic?
Why government
Oh.
also tell that ban the plastic? Why?
Okay. Doesn't mean. Okay, I agree with it. They have met. Then why the villagers are using that one? Why? Then why you are buying? Why you are
Give,
buying
give,
that?
give, give, give.
Your mistake. Your mistake.
Go. Yes.
You tell that we use plastic. Why are you selling?
We are not selling. You are just doing. I want. You want. That's why we are selling. We are not forcing you. Okay?
Not forcing.
No.
You sell anything and fake plastic. What? You should not make.
Okay, we made for our profit, for us. Then why you? Okay, for us we have made. Oh hello. Firstly, wait. I have made means citizens have made for them all self. Okay, we are not going to force you the villagers. Please buy. You'll have to buy. I'm giving you in the free. This is the offer. Not in the houses. Not okay. Just you all are coming and buying from us for your profit. That's not the fault of citizens.
Who making? Cities people.
Same question you're asking again.
Same question. Say next. Other person. Yeah, next. Sweetie, come here. Sweetie, come. Tannu. Come from Oh, all of you. Yeah. Yes, take. Neeraj. Yeah, jaldi, do fast.
First you say you have
Keep quiet, all of you listen.
you have big disease. Then you go school buggy. Then you go your hand is broken. Your head is broken. Then you go school buggy.
No.
Then where you go?
Hazaribagh.
It is a city. It is city.
So I have one question. Your team is speaking. Village have there is no dustbin in the village.
Yes.
City have very dustbins. Sorry, many dustbins.
Yes.
The cities people don't have power. That throw the garbage.
Where you see?
Hazaribagh. Jhanda Chowk.
Jhanda Chowk. I don't know Jhanda Chowk. In the you see.
That is your problem.
No. You see here. You see here. Here is dustbin. In the city has dustbin in the restaurant.
The city have dustbin, but the cities people don't have power. But the cities have people don't have power to throw the garbage in the dustbin. Right? The cities people don't have power. They throw the garbage in the dustbin. Why?
You throw the garbage in the dustbin. Firstly, you say you have power. You have power.
How much?
How much? It is school. First you think it is school. So how much dustbin in the how much dustbin have cities?
I don't count. I not count. You go and count. Sir, you are told that we are throwing the what your question, that all the citizen there is a dustbin. They are taking the garbage. Okay. Have you ever gone to Hazaribagh? Have you ever gone to the market? Have you ever seen the gutter? Seen na? Why?
You seen
Have you ever seen the gutter?
You
Wait. I'll tell.
You seen there?
Seen there? What is there? There's the dog. There's the dog. Go and see.
No, there is
There's
also
the dog.
there is
There's the
also
dog.
garbage. You see first. Okay.
We all are collecting the dung. After that we use. And you are saying that. You are saying that all
First
the
you see na yaar. First you see.
अरे go and see ना.
Firstly you see.
और फट जाएगी तो आंसर नहीं चलना.
हम बोलेंगे तब ना बोलेगा यार.
पहले चिल्लाना बंद करो. चिल्लाना हमको भी आता है. चिल्लाना हमको भी आता है.
My house is there.
हाँ.
I not see there.
So why are you throwing the garbage? If you know
I'm
that,
not throwing. I'm not throwing.
why your mother throwing the garbage?
My mother is also not throwing here.
Then how can you say?
People.
I want to say one.
There is so many people are living. Not only I.
Then
You are also living in there.
I'm saying that na. You have slowly it get there's a field, okay? It gets field na. Then that field is growing up. That field is for the farming, and day by day they are doing more farming. And you are told that all the citizens have a dustbin. I agree with that. Dustbin, okay? They're collecting the dustbin. They're collecting the garbage, okay? They're collecting the garbage, and where they are going? They are a big dustbin. I already seen in Hazaribagh. And they are not putting the garbage on the dustbin. They are outside. There is a
How do you
outside.
say
There is
that? How do you say that?
Wait. You are saying that river. Have you ever seen the villages river? Have you ever seen?
Yes, of course.
You have seen na?
Yeah.
How much clean?
So dirty.
So dirty because of the who? Because of the citizens. You are saying that Ganga is our mother. Ganga is our mother. Who make the plastics? Citizen. Who did the Ganga ma? Citizens.
Who use the
Arey, wait now, I'm telling. Who use the factories? There's a factory, big factories. They are taking the liquid and they are throwing in the river. And after that river go anywhere and they are polluted. That river polluted the villages river. Okay, don't say that only villages river is good.
Then who do the picnics? Who do the picnics?
Villagers and all the citizens. How you can say?
Mostly.
Citizens. Sir, I get the answer. Citizens. Villagers are doing one day enjoy. Most 1st January. But what the villagers, what the citizens, all day they are enjoying. If they have got free, they get higher salary after the month. They do a party. Why they are throwing the too much garbage also? Okay. You can't say that.
Okay. I agree that the citizens throw the garbage.
Yeah.
But that plastic things, whatever you use in the village, you eat it.
Why will it?
That
harmful
they
for us.
Yes,
No.
definitely.
You are uneducated person that you are eating.
Wait a minute.
I'm waiting.
You are definitely throwing it.
Where?
Everywhere, anywhere. You are eating here. You are shaking there. No.
So how many plastic is there?
So many. It's the property of school. You go and see there. How much the dirt is there.
There is not the dung. Okay. You are saying here area, okay? Have you ever gone to Hazaribagh? I'm already giving the Hazaribagh exam. Have you gone? After the Singhani, that's called the town. Okay? After the Singhani, you are saying here garbage, there garbage, there is meter, here garbage, here plastic. Why?
But then you can see there is a committee. So many corporation who take the truck and come and clean house door to door.
Where they are throwing in the village, not in the city, okay?
Who said who is
You are
there?
thinking that our city is good, then we are all good. But villages is dirty, we are not problem.
That's the problem
problem government. That's the problem government, not of citizens.
Government is also banned the plastic. Why you are using?
Okay, wait a minute. I am giving you example, okay? There's people who don't have work, okay?
Huh.
He is searching for any work.
Huh.
That he will just see first which is most selling thing. Like you can see here, who is cutting the chicken. He have seen the chicken is being more eaten by the people. Then only he is selling, not because of that. It's his work.
Huh.
Because he is cutting it and selling it because every people is buying. This means not that is not the mistake of him. That is the mistake of who is buying. If anyone will not buy, anyone will not need it, then why they will buy? Why they will sell?
That means you are saying that. Sir, you are saying that. Who is the problem? Who are doing the crime? I am saying that. I think that government has banned the plastics and citizens are making. Then if the government had banned the plastics, then why citizens are selling? If they know that is harmful for us, then he know, and after that he say, and that they make the dirty of the village. Okay, after knowing also, after knowing.
Okay.
Our problem is citizens' problem.
Villagers know.
Okay, we don't know what.
You go, right? You know the go.
Okay, we don't know what harmful of plastics they are making. Okay.
We
Then-
know.
No.
It means you are an educated person.
No. Wait now. You are telling in between. Okay.
From there we side.
Yes.
Okay. According to you, we don't know what is harmful of plastics we are making, and we are, and why are you using? You know now. You know. Then why are you using? Tell. Why
Who is selling? Who is
Okay,
selling?
okay,
Why
okay.
are you selling?
We are selling. Why are you using?
Then it means you are doing the you are doing the villages harm.
How many examples you have given? All were bad. But have you given the example of good things? You buy clothes from where?
From where you get the raw material?
Okay, I agree that come only from.
I also agree that we use the there.
Okay. Only the forest, only the trees, and the every natural thing only comes from the village.
Yeah.
Oh, you means to say that in town there is no forest?
No.
How could you say that? That's not possible.
Tell me any forest name.
I can tell you. Sir,
I
is
want
it
to think,
possible?
man. Have you ever seen the forest in Hazaribagh?
Yeah. No, wait a minute.
Where?
Have you ever seen the foreland of Hazaribagh? Have you ever seen the foreland of
That's
Hazaribagh?
dirty. There all the
Wait.
garbage.
What you all are thinking? In the between of the road, aside beside the path, there's trees and flowers and many plants.
And you can't judge every city by just now the name of Hazaribagh. You can't judge only the cities by only the Hazaribagh and all.
Sir, you are cutting the 100 trees, then you are going the one tree, okay? You are thinking that when we go in the road, one tree, that is very good.
We will show the people that we have both the trees in the cities. Means you are going. Means in the roadside you have both the trees. Firstly, there is a long road. You have both one tree. Means in a path you have both one tree. 1 to 3 means thousands of trees you have both. But that thousands of trees that we found in the one forest of the village.
Okay, I agree in that. That only means citizens cut more trees than the villagers. Okay, what they make, they don't eat it. They something make means like matchstick and all. Stop using that. Okay, don't use it.
Change topic. Give the other chance.
I am changing the topic.
Other chance.
Sir, question.
Go back. Back.
Sir, I have a question. Sir, from this same question.
Yes. Ask.
Sir,
Come.
Sir, from this same question.
Yes.
What about the sub miracle that is happening in the village?
I have a question.
No, from this state. Sir, sir, bad.
Girls, where are you all? Focus na. Mahi.
Take the mic. She will give you answer.
Yeah.
The road of village is so bad. You have told.
Yes, maybe yes.
Then why the accident happen more in cities?
Who's
Because
said
so many
that?
people are going there.
Give back. Yeah.
Because so many people are going there, working there.
Only.
So it means you are saying that there is too much facility, there is too much technology. Why we get accident?
Oh,
This is
technology.
your problem. First you are saying that
Technology. Technology.
Firstly, he is saying, why are you coming?
Not in the human body.
No. Again, you ask that. First of all, you go. So why are you go and dirty there? Because we know that we are not dirty there. You go. All
You all
the
are going.
leaders
You
go
are
there
entering the
and
You,
enjoy it.
Yes, you all are going.
Yeah.
You all are going. We are educated.
in the city.
Firstly, let me tell you. We all go there, go in city. We died there because we all are uneducated. You all are educated. Why you not clean? Acha. Firstly, you are telling dustbin. Here is dustbin. There is dustbin. All in means in city there are many dustbin are present. Then why the road in the roadside in the market? Why all the city is not clean? In okay in the city dustbin present. In Delhi, the dustbin also present. Then why that is most polluted? And why, if you have knowledge also, best facilities of knowledge, then why you are not cleaning that?
Firstly, I'm saying to you, there is a dustbin. We know dustbin. You don't. You know dustbin. You have educated person and who know what is dustbin. Then they are throwing the garbage in the road side.
No.
It is the meaning of
Everything of yours.
Firstly, I am saying to.
No.
I'm saying also.
You are not.
I'm saying. Firstly, I'm saying. Firstly, I'm saying.
One thing I'll say.
Arey,
Yeah, previous time told that
Wait, listen. First listen. Yes. Oh, other person give chance, na? Other
there's no one
Sapna, you will come.
Sapna, all other person. Yes. Go back. Go back, and you all are not focused here. All,
Can I
listen, all
ask?
of you.
You can ask.
Listen. Yes. Yes.
You first you tell me that when the go to another person's field, then why they quarreling? You don't understand? Means a god. Means you think na a cow is going another person field and the person quarreling why your cow go in my field, why? And in cities you see
Because
No.
One thing I know, sir.
Yes.
Sir, one time, sir.
because cow are destroying our fields and miss our crops, and not only, and we are using the means we are using cows like this, then they get many days, then we are doing also hard work to get the enough water for the crops. That's why if anybody can and destroy our